Hey guys, so we're at my friend Byron's house, and I'm here tonight because we're gonna test fit some wheels on the Lexus. He's got some wheels that he used to run on his ISF, which if they fit, they'll fit pretty well on the on my IS. So I'm here tonight. We're gonna give it a go. Just got here, so they are Work in Motion CR Kawamis, is I believe how you say it. That's the wheel. Well, that's the rear, anyways. It's got 275s on it, which is a lot bigger than the 255s on here. But we'll give it a go. That's what the current wheels look like. Fitment wise, it's not too terrible.
Get him on.
I was looking in here.
Pretty tight.
Pretty tidy indeed. I reckon that's gonna be alright.
I reckon it's gonna be fucking mint, dude. Did tell you.
I think. It's looking pretty good.
Yeah.
Looking pretty well spot on. We'll yeah, we'll fit the fronts and see what that looks like. But that looks like it's gonna go. It is a four-wheel drive though. That needs some serious lowering. But yeah, so that's the fronts. The fronts are pretty bad. They're sitting.
So annoyed now.
You don't want to sell them, do you?
No. These are my babies, man.
The fronts definitely tuck in a fair bit.
But
check the
they just
actual
don't.
vents that come to the
Yeah,
brakes.
for the brakes, yeah.
How
They
good.
literally don't save any expense.
That means race car, right?
They go to town. Means it's built fucking well the first time.
Yeah. Also looking like it's pretty well spot on. Yeah, that's fine. That's not out. That's definitely
It's within.
within. The rears are definitely
It's like
borderline.
not enough to get
But-
in trouble for.
If it gets lowered, it might camber in a little bit.
It'll definitely camber in.
Yeah. Alright, so before front, before rear, well tucked in, that's for sure. And then this is the after. Oh yeah. That's it's really hard to see because it's dark, but triangle the light, but that looks really good. Test, take it for a drive, make sure it doesn't rub, it shouldn't. Maybe when it's lowered, but right now it should be good. Alright, we'll get the other side done. Okay, so it's a few days after getting the wheels fitted, and I thought I'd show you what it looks like in the daylights. There we go. So, fits pretty good. I think it looks really good, and the wheels definitely suit the car, in my opinion. In terms of fitment, it is pretty close to the edge, or to, I guess, the limit of what you probably want for a daily, or what I want for a daily anyways. So we do have some rubbing on the rear. We've got a little bit of rubbing on the back over here, sort of going up driveways or on any or substantial bumps. The fronts, nothing at all. The fronts are really good. These are 245 tires on here, which is not something I'd run in the front. There's just no reason for them to be that big for this, so I will go back to a smaller size, but it's good to know that even the 245 has no issues, no guard rubbing or anything like that. It's just the rear. So the plan for the rear is to run a different size tire. These are a 275, these are really wide. I'm going to go back to a 255, which is the same width as the factory tire, and honestly it's more than enough. Even the factory 255 tires, it doesn't have enough power or torque to spin them, just accelerating. So yeah, go back to a 255 on the rear, and eventually on the front when these wear out, I'll go back down to like a 225, which is again the same as the factory width. Might be the tiniest amount of stretch on the wheels, but really shouldn't be too much at all. For those of you looking to do aftermarket wheels on your 3IS, this will give you a bit of an idea on, I guess, how far you can go. So the fronts factory are an 8-inch wheel plus 45 for the offsets. These new ones are a 8.5 plus 35, and you can see that it definitely still tucks in a little bit. It's by no means sticking up the guide at all. And then the rears factory are 8.5 plus 50, which is not a very aggressive offset at all. These are a 9.5 plus 38. So still not too aggressive, but they fit in the guards really well. I'm really happy with them. I'm just going to change those tires over at some point, and hopefully that'll get rid of the rub. Other than that, the factory wheels have tire pressure sensors in them. These new wheels don't. So I've got the tire pressure light on constantly. Definitely can't live with that, so I'll be looking at what I can do there, maybe getting some other sensors or swapping the sensors over. Not too sure, but I'll figure that out, and I'll make sure to make another video on it.